Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling everything you'll need. This saves time later. Import vertical clips, audio, and images into your editor, then create a 9:16 sequence at 1080x 1920 and 30 fps. This matches YouTube Shorts requirements. Once done, trim unusable footage and mark key moments within /out points so you can jump straight to the best bits. Make sure to name files clearly. Consistent naming prevents confusion when you have many takes. Now you're ready. Now you craft the sequence to keep viewers hooked. Tightly trim to the essential moments, cut on motion, and paste clips to the beat of your chosen track. This creates energy. Add captions that match spoken words. Captions boost watch time and accessibility, so make them concise and readable. Once captions are in, fine-tune color, stabilize shaky shots, and balance audio using normalization and ducking so speech stands out. Export a test render and review full screen before finalizing. Finish by exporting with H.264 at 1080x 1920 and a moderate bitrate for sharp, small files. Keep it under 60 seconds. Upload through YouTube Studio, include a clear title and description, and add hash shorts so YouTube classifies it correctly. Select a frame or custom thumbnail, set visibility, and publish or schedule. If upload fails or quality drops, check bitrate, container format, and file name characters. Re-export with a standard preset and retry. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.